Hi everyone, my name is Julie Ruff and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in renal nutrition at VitaFuel. I'm excited to give you a 2-minute overview of the improvements we've made to the VitaFuel Wellness Protein. On the outside, we have replaced our heavy plastic bottles with light, eco-sustainable paper cartons. Not only does this reduce our carbon footprint and plastic waste, but it also takes up less space in the storage room as well as on the shelf. The cartons are easier to pour and easier to hold, with only a one-step opening system here at the cap. We've also added more protein and additional amino acids, so VitaFuel Wellness Protein is even more powerful than before. It's very important to remember to shake well before administering the protein. This is due to the proteins naturally congealing in liquid. So simply shake well to ensure a smooth texture without any lumps or clumps. We've also made improvements to the drinkability and smoothness of the product. We kept the same great flavors that the patients know and love while also reducing the acidity. This makes the product smoother and easier to drink, similar to a protein shake or a smoothie. As you'll see here, I'll pour. VitaFuel remains the only low-volume protein modular without a sticky or honey-like consistency. VitaFuel is also the only protein modular without any artificial sweeteners or colors. So you'll notice that the natural coloring of VitaFuel Wellness is creamier and slightly different in appearance than before. Here we have the mixed berry and the citrus burst. Our dietitians are here to answer any questions and support you with an in-service deck and educational materials. Please feel free to reach out to any of our VitaFuel dietitians as well as call our customer care line. We're excited for the opportunity to work with you in providing the best care for your patients. Thank you for choosing VitaFuel.